The Parc de Bruxelles, also known as Warandepark or Brussels Park, is a historic park located in the heart of Brussels, Belgium. It holds significant cultural and historical importance, witnessing various events and transformations throughout its existence. The origins of Parc de Bruxelles can be traced back to the 12th century when it was initially a hunting ground for the Dukes of Brabant. Over the centuries, it evolved from a private domain to a public space. In the 18th century, the park underwent extensive landscaping and design changes under the influence of Austrian Empress Maria Theresa and her son Emperor Joseph II. During the French Revolution in the late 18th century, the Parc de Bruxelles played a crucial role. It served as the gathering place for revolutionaries and witnessed the establishment of the French Republic in 1792. The park became a symbolic space for political rallies and demonstrations, reflecting the revolutionary fervor of the time. In the 19th century, Belgium sought independence from the Kingdom of the Netherlands, and Parc de Bruxelles became an emblematic location for nationalist sentiments. On September 27, 1830, a mass demonstration took place in the park, leading to the outbreak of the Belgian Revolution. This event eventually led to the separation of Belgium from the Netherlands and the establishment of an independent Belgian state. Parc de Bruxelles is not only renowned for its natural beauty but also for several architectural landmarks within its premises. One notable feature is the stunning neoclassical building called the Royal Palace of Brussels, situated on the park's eastern side. Originally constructed in the 18th century, it serves as the official residence of the Belgian royal family. In the 20th century, the Parc de Bruxelles witnessed significant changes. During World War II, the park suffered damage due to bombings, but it was subsequently restored to its former glory. In later years, it became a hub for cultural events and public gatherings, hosting concerts, exhibitions, and festivals. Today, Parc de Bruxelles continues to be a beloved green space for both locals and tourists. It offers a serene retreat from the bustling city, providing walking paths, manicured gardens, and picturesque ponds. The park is a popular spot for leisure activities, picnics, and relaxation, attracting people from all walks of life. Parc de Bruxelles also houses several cultural institutions and museums, including the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium and the Bellevue Museum. These institutions contribute to the park's cultural vibrancy, offering visitors the opportunity to explore art, history, and Belgian heritage. In conclusion, the Parc de Bruxelles, with its rich history and cultural significance, stands as a testament to the resilience of the city and its people. From its origins as a hunting ground to its role in revolutions and as a cultural oasis, the park remains a cherished landmark in Brussels, connecting the past with the present.